When serious injury or illness strikes, claiming a lump sum payout known as total permanent disability or TPD through your superannuation fund could prove vital in helping you through an extremely challenging time. So I'm going to briefly highlight what you need to know about TPD payouts. It's almost impossible to be prepared when serious injury or illness strikes and you can't work. But the good news is, most Australians are covered for a lump sum payout through their superannuation fund. The bad news for so many Australians in this situation is that they are unaware of this insurance policy. Different policies have different definitions to qualify, so it's important to check your policy. But generally, if you've been unable to work due to injury or illness for an extended period of time, which is usually considered more than 3 months, and you have no expectation to return to any work which you're qualified for, then you may be entitled to a TPD payout. The average TPD payout amount is usually between $60,000 and $300,000. But what's important to note is you can make multiple claims if you have multiple superannuation accounts with TPD insurance connected to your membership. We have clients come to us seeking advice in relation to all sorts of personal injury claims. And naturally, if they qualify, we also advise them to consider lodging a TPD claim. After doing some digging, we often find that clients have multiple policies that they have forgotten about. And instead of lodging one claim, we end up lodging 3. When you've made a successful TPD claim, the lump sum amount is paid into your superannuation account, so it usually has no impact on your Centrelink or other benefits. However, if you withdraw your TPD balance or any superannuation amounts, the withdrawal may impact on your Centrelink entitlements. So it may be best to get some professional advice on your entitlements before you withdraw any funds from your superannuation account. It's also important to realise that there is no tax to have your TPD paid into your account balance. However, if you do decide to withdraw part or all of your payout as a lump sum, you'll need to pay a tax called superannuation lump sum withdrawal tax. Hopefully this has been helpful to you. But if you're still unsure about TPD payouts or need help with your claim, call Law Partners and have a confidential conversation with one of our specialist TPD lawyers today.